If you're looking for a place to live where you can finally take a deep breath and enjoy a better place of life, Bloomfields may be for you. Nestled in the city of Frederick's northern countryside, you can enjoy idyllic nature views while still being connected to everything from downtown adventures to daily conveniences. Hi, I'm Joe, and I'm excited to show you around this one-of-a-kind community. Have you decided it's time to simplify your life and live in a low-maintenance lifestyle? You've come to the right place. Let's kick it over to Kelly to learn more about this community.
Here we are in the heart of downtown. Carroll Creek offers beautiful views, shopping, dining, breweries, and more. It's the hot spot every Thursday night during the summer where you can enjoy an outdoor happy hour with live music at Alive at 5. During the winter, you'll find it lit up with the most amazing holiday lights along the creek that create a true winter wonderland. The amazing breweries are one of the things downtown is best known for. Idiom Brewery and Attaboy are local favorites. Their menus constantly change with new IPAs, sours, and seltzers to try. Plus, there is always a new food truck on site. White Rabbit is downtown's first and only craft beer house and gastropub featuring 50 rotating taps of beer, wine, and spirits. Baker Park is another iconic downtown spot. Have a picnic, walk the dog, or kick around a soccer ball. From clowns to magicians to live bands and more, the Summerfest Family Theater is another great place every Thursday morning during the summer at Baker Park. If you're a foodie like me, Market Street is the place to be. Brewers Alley is the place to be downtown. It's Frederick's first brew pub with great food, drinks, a rooftop deck, and a lively atmosphere.
Our ranch homes give you the one-level living you desire, featuring 2-car garages, main-level living, and all of the luxury features you've been searching for. As you can see, the open floor plan includes an impressive great room ideal for entertaining and a gourmet kitchen. With 3 bedrooms and an optional finished basement with a 4th bedroom, you have plenty of space for friends and family to visit. Here's my favorite spot, the covered porch. Enjoy your morning cup of coffee and soak in the mountain views before walking over to the clubhouse with neighbors. Ready to settle into a new home and community that fits your lifestyle? It's time to live life in full bloom here at Bloomfields. Schedule your appointment today. We can't wait to meet you.